Hello, all of my loyal subscribers. I just want to say thank you for all of the support you've given me over these years. I want to say that I'm up to about 14 subscribers, which is just absolutely amazing. I never thought when I started this project that I would, have anyone watching at all, and just to have, so many dozens of minutes spent on each video. Last week I posted a video, it got like 3 views. I was so blown away. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and do all of those things that, us content creators need in order to sustain ourselves. So today I'm doing something a little bit different, something I've never done before, which is an unboxing video. And here is my box. So those of you who know me, I've been using the same phone for nearly 5 years. And let's just say something happened and the phone is in a better place now. Anyway, I have a box, and in it is a phone, and I'm going to do an unboxing video. So as far as packaging is concerned, this is really interesting packaging for a phone. I don't think I've ever seen a brand new unused phone come in what appears to be a Tupperware container full of rice. I hear that rice is good for cooking and eating, and anybody who put it on electronics must be thinking that, I guess a phone is some newfangled dietary trend, I don't know, eating Tide Pods or spoonfuls of ground cinnamon. So, it's whatever those Zoomers do, nobody really knows what these Zoomers are up to, right? So yeah, packaging is definitely interesting, not something I would ever think of. It is in a Snapware container. It says airtight, leak-proof, patented, made in the USA. It looks like it's freezer safe. It's got the snowflake here. Microwave safe, it's got the microwave icon here, and dishwasher safe. So, it is, as far as Tupperware containers go, something that seems to be durable and reusable, which is something we would like in our plastics, is that they're not single use. So let me just open this up here. Nice snap. I'll bring this closer to the camera so you can hear the snap. It's a very clever design. Put it down, and let's just see here. So this is it's basmati rice. Yeah, basmati rice, nice touch. I guess catering to their audience. I am somebody of Punjabi heritage, and so basmati rice is true to my cultural cuisine, shall we say. And yeah, okay, so I think this is an Apple, an iPhone. Really interesting designer choices here. So it's rose gold. There is a sticker on the back. It says Connor Singh number 5. So pre-customized. The lens is pre-cracked. I think a lot of people who are posting on social media, on Instagram and the like, really like that sort of aesthetic feel, and a pre-cracked lens will give you that really unique light leak that is really one of a kind to your camera. I see the front camera has some dust on it, which again will contribute to that sort of antique look of camera. We're not looking for something that's really crisp or clear, or I've seen Galaxy ads that talk about cinematic quality of video. No, we're looking for something more rustic. Yeah, there's no SD card in here as of yet, but I have my SD card right here, and I'm gonna pop it into the phone before I power it up. So let me do that. If I can get it in the right way. No. Oh, I had it upside down. Okay. Almost there. Got the card in the slot. Line that up. And the moment of truth. How does it power up? It's a good start. I got the Apple logo right here. You can see it. And just waiting to see if it gets past that screen. Oh my god, this is exciting. It's like a brand new phone, fresh out of the box. Like, I'm just getting giddy seeing this. And Touch ID requires your passcode when iPhone restarts, so I guess it's pre-configured. It's got 54% battery, so it's a little broken in, and let's just see what happens when I press my old iPhone password. Right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And wow, I guess it was preloaded to be exactly the phone I had before. Like the settings are the same. Yeah, it's looks like the same. I'm getting buzzes. I'm getting notifications. Wow. I have 13 new WhatsApp I have 18 new WhatsApp notifications. I have 34 notifications. A software update is available. I have a message on Instagram. I have Snapchat memories from 3 years ago. They really got that sense of broken in phone. And wow, I'm just speechless. They've really outdone themselves today, and amazing.
Going off of there, we're going to walk the other side. You and Miles are going down on the sled with Dad.
I'm a little disappointed. I thought this unboxing video would be like a flat out failure.
I bet you love that phone.
I do love this phone.